Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanya at Side Gig Crafts coming to you with Christmas 365, where we try to, well, we don't try, we do make a Christmas craft every month. The last day of the month we post it, and this is the one I have made. This was inspired by one of our favorite crafters, and I will post her video linked below. However, I went rogue and added my own little things, so hopefully she'll appreciate what I've done for the darling little folio. So I actually had the same paper. I received the same paper the same day I saw the video, and I wanted to use the same stuff, so I thought it was perfect for a recipe folio, and so I used it for that. So I got the, was it from PT Cheap, the little kit of this Christmas paper, and it had stickers and ephemera and all kinds of fun things with it. So I got to use that, and I still have quite a bit left, so I'm very excited about that. So on the front, I've got December 25th. Obviously, this was a part of the ephemera pack, the little puffy stickers, the little gal. Look how smiling she is. I love, love, love this paper and all the colors. The enamel dots came with it. Now, when you opened it this way, the original had a different, she put something in here. I can't remember what it was. It was like a big writing board or something like that. I put a grocery list. I took one of my, and I'm probably gonna have to fix that, but I took one of my tablets from Target and added a grocery list. I had to cut it, of course, and added a grocery list on there because I thought for any of the recipes we have to go grocery shopping, and what better way than to have that grocery list already included in the little book. I used some of the ephemera pieces, some more enamel dots. And then when you open it this way, it's got a little tuck spot here, and I put some more pieces of that little kit in here. Super, super cute. In this little tag, or this little tuck spot, another enamel dot. Use some more pieces of the ephemera kit, and then this opens up. Now I did something a little different here. She had this as one piece of paper, but on the back, I actually included a little pocket so you could put, and I made it a little bit wide. I should have just glued the paper, but I thought it might be fun to add some pictures or something in there. So I actually added a little pocket, and it's got little recipes. You can put all kinds of things in there. So not only does it have one of those, it has two. Here's the second one. And this one also has some little goodie spots in there. I used some more of the stickers, more of the ephemera, more of the enamel dots. And then on this side, I've got another tuck spot here with the oven. I added a little sugar cookie from KS Craft die that I received. And I added another little tag here. And on this one, I added the flap with the vellum paper. This could be a tuck. You could tuck some stuff up into here, and it would stay just fine. Something like that, or maybe a list, something, I don't know, whatever. Put a picture here, put a picture underneath. I used some dotted vellum, and then some more pieces of ephemera, stuffy, puffy stickers, if I can speak, and more enamel dots. And then over here I got another sugar cookie, and another card from the kit, some more papers, a little recipe from the kit, another sticker. So more pictures or recipes or whatever could be stuck into there too. And that's it. And then I put a little thing on the back. And that's it. I hope you guys like my project. I hope you'll give it a try. Check out her tutorial if you'd like to learn how to make one similar to this. Because again, she doesn't have the other extra pieces that I had. But you know, it wasn't a difficult fix to add that on there. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you'll check out the other videos for Christmas 365, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.